I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to do another day in the life video for you guys, because I know you guys like these. You guys always give me good positive feedback. So right now we are rushing out the door because we're taking Isaiah to the DMV to get his driver's permit. Woo! So I am so excited, and it's really crazy to think I'm gonna have a kid that has his driver's permit. I'm really excited for him, and we need to run out the door, grab his paperwork, run out the door and go do this, and I will take you along on our day today and kind of just come along and hang out with us. Super simple stuff. Are you excited? Are you excited?
I stuck. I down. I stuck. I down. I stuck. I down.
How do you feel, Isaiah? What? How do you feel? He passed 100%!
Nice, congratulations!
Thanks.
Awesome!
We're so excited and proud of him. We're all here.
We're
all here! Okay, it's really hot in here.
Alright, so
Alright.
I'm gonna turn the AC on.
Okay, love you. See you soon.
Love you, bye.
Bye. Oh gosh. So we just turned on the truck and the AC, and all of a sudden our AC is making this crazy noise that we've never heard before, so you guys might hear that. But Isaiah wanted to tell us stuff. Tell us about it, or what they said.
Oh, well, it wasn't that bad. It was based, like, if you do the practice test, it's literally the same thing, but they're all the questions are mixed together. The fact that I'm able to get the questions completely right on the practice test on each and every one of them, it made it really easy.
So when we got back in the car from the DMV, our AC broke, and it is like rattling like a huge motor, or like a broken motor. It's just like drrrr. So we had to take the car seat out of the truck, and we have errands we're gonna be running today, all of us. So we're gonna go ahead and take the Nissan, which is actually Isaiah's car that he gets this year. So he just now practiced starting it, and then I get a new car this year since he's getting my old Nissan. Woo woo! Very excited about that, but it's been like 6 years since I've gotten a new car, you guys. But I love driving the truck. I love driving the truck. I drive it everywhere. Are you ready to go? Are we gonna go have some pizza? Yeah? Hi, permit boy. Are you waking up still? Are you still waking up? You're tired. So we are at this cute little rustic pizza shop that we are eating some yummy lunch in celebration of Isaiah. All right, you guys, so I'm just eating this salad and some buffalo wings. And you're eating pizza? And those little things. Yeah. Daddy's eating salad. And Isaiah's eating pizza. So the FedEx person just came and dropped off a couple of packages, so I am going to go ahead and just open them and show you what we got and see what we got. All right, thank you. So far, oh yeah, I actually ordered this fridge like egg container right from Amazon. Yeah, so this actually holds 21 egg compartments. I love it. It's so pretty. I don't know why it's so big at the top there, because you see that's where the egg goes, and then the top. Okay, and then this is actually a Father's Day gift for Shanam, so I need to put this up ASAP, just one of his little gifts. These are keto strips. So you can get these from Amazon for like $7 to test your ketones. Me and Shanam have decided a couple days ago, to try out the keto diet. I think that's what it's called. I guess it's a diet. The keto way of eating. So we did like a huge grocery haul. We bought a bunch of stuff for keto recipes, keto snacks, everything, the whole 9 yards. So we did that a couple days ago. And I know a lot of you guys that follow me on Instagram, you guys know I've been doing the 2B Mindset by Beachbody, which I absolutely love. I purchased that program myself when it came out. I've lost a couple pounds from it. I love it. There's no restrictions, no calorie counting, no tracking or anything. And I will continue eating like that once I'm not doing the keto diet, but I want to do it with my husband. My husband wants to do it. I cook for him, and I don't have a lot of weight I want to lose necessarily, just lean out in my core area, of course, but other than that, I am mostly just gonna kind of experience it with him. It's supposed to give you like more energy, and some people get clearer skin, all kinds of health benefits from it, but it's just kind of like a research fun thing we're doing. He's really trying to lose his last few pounds on it, and I think he's doing amazing.
We run away to get us up when we're low. Just chase the waves. We'll make it up as we go. If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? Behind the town for low, we run away to get us up when we're low. Oh, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down.
It just broke this bamboo brush in half.
What did?
Just scrubbing this trees off. Oh my god, my new brush.
This isn't real bamboo, folks.
It's not real bamboo. Oh, I have it zoomed in. So Shanam just took his keto
Hey,
strip.
Mom, the news. Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. Love you. I love you too.
So anyway, he's officially in ketosis. His little pea strip, it was at like the large 0.8, which is like that middle color right about
8.0.
there. Yeah, large 8.0. So
I was like
that's
in between 8.0 and 16.0.
If you want to hear more about it, we'd love to make more videos about it. We might do a little series here since it's just something that we're experiencing or experimenting with. Let us know in the comments if you'd be interested. Give me a thumbs up. All right, you guys, so we are gonna be sharing our workout with you. Ooh, I'm so excited because I haven't shared a workout on my channel in a long time, but since you guys have been requesting, I'm gonna show you. And if you wanna see more of it, then definitely just follow me on Instagram, and I do it every other day over there. And me and my husband, we have been doing the workouts together. So these past like 2 weeks I've been working out with him, and he's been doing this program I think for about a month, and I'm already seeing results. And it's an old program, it is P90X, but we have the Beachbody on demand, so we can pick any of the 400 different workouts anytime and use those programs too if we want. So I'm doing an oldie but goodie with him, but he absolutely loves it. We have the pull-up bar, but not all the programs need the pull-up bar, and you don't always have to use that. You can modify if you don't have a pull-up bar.
That's where it's at.
But he loves it. I am not a big fan, but I'm getting better. And then here's all the videos here of our workouts, and then we just look for ours, which is that. And then we just have our little weight station over here. We got some Bowflex we invested in, our pile of mats and foam roller. There you go. You want to go potty? I will see you guys in my next vlog. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, I would love for you to join my family. Just hit that subscribe button. Hit the little alert or alarm button, also the bell, so you can be notified and not miss a video, because YouTube's algorithm now does not pump out our videos to our subscribers, so you literally have to have the alarm on if you want to catch any of the videos, unless you just remember to come to my channel and check on me every once in a while. So anyway, I love you guys. Give me a like and I will see you in my next video.